Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus guys, MK3 third generation. This one should cover years 2012 to 2018 guys, and we'll show you how to find the relay for the ECU. This is for the engine computer guys. If your car does not start, okay, that will be the relay to check. Now let me introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. We'll be constantly uploading videos, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. We're trying to save you as much money as we can in the long run, and we'll be uploading quite a few videos. So open the hood. After you open the hood guys, that's where your fuse box is located. So we need to remove the lid by pressing in here and pull up. Okay, like that. Now we need to locate, okay, you can see on the back side of the fuse box you have the different numbers. Ones are called F, the other one start with R. The F is for fuse, R is for relay. So we need to locate relay, okay, number 14. Okay, so relay number 14 guys will be the very bottom right one. Okay, so it will be this one here. Now all the parts and tools, including the new relay that we'll use in the video, will be listed in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now this relay, some people will use a screwdriver to pull it out. I'll try my best to pull it out by hand. Okay, and it did come out. Okay, this is the relay. Okay, the relay diagram as well, made in Portugal. Okay, parts number and the relay where we get it from will be listed in the description of the video below. Let me get the new one now quick. Okay, right there. This is the brand new relay, pretty much same thing. Okay, and all we have to do, push it in guys. Okay, push it in until you hear that audible click, and don't forget to install your cover. So if your engine computer, okay, does not work, or you do not have communication with the engine computer through an OBD scanner, this is the relay that you need to check. Also there is a few, I think 2 or 3 fuses for the engine computer, so check those. We'll have the video on the channel, and if it still doesn't start, it could be a few other things as well. So we'll have all the different scenarios on the channel guys, so hopefully it will be helpful. We'll have mechanical videos as well, electrical, we'll be taking the whole vehicle apart. So if you need help with anything, don't hesitate to drop a comment below the video, and we're going to try our best to make a specific video for your problem. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.